Unlock your advertising potential with Microsoft Advertising. Did you know that Microsoft Advertising, formerly known as Bing Ads, provides a powerful platform for running ads on Bing, Yahoo, and AOL? It's an excellent alternative or complement to Google Ads, and often comes with lower competition and cost per click. What are Microsoft Ads? Microsoft Ads are pay-per-click search ads that pop up when users search on Bing or its partner networks. They function much like Google Ads, but they target a slightly different audience, particularly strong on desktop devices. Getting started with Microsoft Advertising. Ready to dive in? Here's how to get started. 1. Visit Microsoft Advertising. Head over to ads.microsoft.com and create your account. 2. Create a campaign. Decide on your goal, whether it's driving website visits, conversions, or calls. 3. Select your keywords. Choose keywords that align perfectly with what your audience is searching for. 4. Craft your ad copy. Make sure your headlines and descriptions are short, compelling, and enticing. 5. Set your budget and targeting. Determine your daily or monthly budget and target specific demographics, location, age, device, you name it. 6. Launch and monitor. Once your ad goes live, keep an eye on its performance through the dashboard and optimize as needed. Why choose Microsoft Advertising? Here are some fantastic reasons to consider. Lower CPCs, the lesser competition can lead to better value for your ad spend. Target a different audience, enjoy stronger visibility with desktop and older user demographics. Easy import from Google Ads, quickly migrate your existing campaigns over with ease. Access to Microsoft ecosystem, your ads can appear in varied platforms like Bing Search, Outlook, MSN, and more. If you're looking to expand your reach beyond Google, Microsoft Advertising is a smart, cost-effective platform worth exploring. Start your advertising journey today with Microsoft Advertising.